What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another 2-minute lawn tip. So nice to have you guys here. Hope you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. Today, guys, I want to go ahead and have a conversation with everybody. Whether you have warm season or cool season grass, this is going to be for everybody and all grass types. So I recommend you guys take just a couple of minutes and listen, as this is going to apply to all of you. So one of the biggest questions I get a lot when I get emails or private messages from you guys is, Jake, now that it's January, we're heading into February, March time frame. My warm/cool season grass is getting to the point where it's about to wake up. What is the best program that you would recommend to me, or the best foundation, if you will, so that I can guarantee my grass stays green, vigorous, and thick year round? I get this question a lot. What is the best 4, 6, or sometimes even 8-step program to follow to keep my lawn green? Now, my friends, I want to go ahead and preface the fact that having a program is great, whether you're warm or cool season. As a matter of fact, I'm doing videos on both right now. I just released a cool season program video over on Next DIY. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link it up here and down below. So whether or not you're a user of the Next DIY products, it's a great video for you to watch, as we talk about some basic core principles in there, like the trending up in the spring and the fall, and the ramp down in the summer and in the winter, and applications you should be doing during those typical time frames. Warm season friends, I want you guys to know I actually am in the midst of working on a video for you guys. We should have a video out for you guys on warm season grass tips. So if you guys are into that type of thing, I recommend you subscribe to this channel, and on top of that, maybe heading over to the Next DIY channel and subscribing, because there's so much awesome stuff over there for you guys. Anyway, back to the subject of the conversation here. Developing an 8-step program to follow for your lawn. You know that an X number of certain dates out of the entire year, you need to be out applying something to your lawn. That is great. Never lose touch of that. However, I want you guys to realize that just because you have foundation or a structure for your lawn doesn't mean you have to follow it to a T. And the reason I say that is because maybe you might have an abnormal year, because half the principles we teach you when it comes to warm or even cool season grass, for that matter, is the fact that you're not always going to have a typical year. Some years you might have an abnormally rainy summer, and because of that, you can keep pushing your lawn a little stronger than usual in the summertime. Or heck, maybe it'll be abnormally cold or abnormally dry. You get what I'm saying, right? And because of that, you might even have to pivot. So you might have to switch toward applying more fertilizer during the season, or less fertilizer during the season, or probably no fertilizer at all during the summer, depending on the type of season that you're having, because there are abnormal seasons out there. And to step aside from the weather, maybe you might have even had a renovation done nearby. Maybe you had a deck put in, and because of that, you might even have to stop what you're doing and do some seeding in certain areas, right? The idea of the day, guys, really being a mindset game, right? I want you guys to know that just because we provide you guys an 8-step program, that doesn't mean you need to follow it to the T. Yes, stick to it as much as you can, but if you have an unexpected challenge, like maybe even during the summer, getting more rain than usual, then obviously you're going to need to pivot and adapt to that, and make sure that you're feeding your lawn a little bit more than you normally would during the summer, to make sure that your lawn survives in that period where it's growing oh so fast and oh so vigorous. Just make sure you don't overdo it. You guys understand that, right? So anyway, the idea of today being, guys, mindset. Don't think just because you have a program that you have to follow it to the T, because sometimes you're going to have years that are unexpectedly hot, unexpectedly rainy. You get the whole idea. The list goes on and on. So you need to make sure that you pivot to the season in which you are treating. If you do that, you will be fine. That, my friends, in a nutshell, is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Again, cool season video now out, warm season video coming for all my warm season friends out there who are looking to dominate with their lawns in 2021 with the Next fertility products, or just in general. Really good videos for both of you guys coming as the year progresses. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If I don't see you in the next video, you know the drill. Your lawn is going to be dominated. See ya.